Sonnen is looking forward to have its 10th anniversary next year. 10 years ago, actually, we were the pioneers in the field of residential storage. I guess we used our first mover advantage wisely, so today we are still one of the leading companies worldwide in residential storage, covering 4 continents so far. Europe, our home market, of course. We are present with subsidiary companies as well in the United States, in Australia, and cover already first Asian countries, where we just founded actually a subsidiary company in Japan, which we consider also to be one of the main markets of the future. And well, we can just confirm that we see growth in the German market as well. However, Germany being one of the largest residential storage markets in the world as of today, the growth is slowing down. Yeah? We are still growing there as well. We are very satisfied with our German results and earnings. At the end of the day, Germany is still today one of the most important markets for us worldwide. However, we see stronger growth in other geographies such as North America and Australia. Well, Sonnen decided a year ago to open up our 3rd manufacturing site in South Australia, Adelaide, in order to supply the Asian Pacific markets. This is one of our major growth markets by now, Australia. Yeah? We have a 2nd manufacturing site in the United States, and of course our headquarter with its manufacturing site in Bavaria, Germany. And these 3 markets describe very well where Sonnen's main growth is coming from. The virtual power plant is a very decisive piece of our business. It's a strategic part of our business, and we are operating in Germany the largest virtual power plant based on residential customers' assets, which are in our case storage systems and EV chargers. However, we already internationalized our concept. We are working together with utilities in the UK, for example, with Centrica, with OVO Energy, and we just finalized a project in Utah, the United States, very close to Salt Lake City, in a very nice home developing project where we have a VPP implemented, operated by Rocky Mountain Power. And Australia is the next market to come, so the VPP is not only a German product, we see a global coverage actually with our technology. European countries are also extremely interesting for our VPP solution. In Germany, we operate the largest virtual power plant based on residential assets. In the UK, we have very fruitful cooperations with utilities such as Centrica and such as OVO Energy, but we have already started our VPP also in Italy. Sonnen as the utility of the future, because Sonnen is not only a hardware provider and supplier, we are also a service provider, and we provide power, grid power, to our customers in order to cover 100% of the energy demand of a household, starting of course with residential storage and PV, but the rest of the energy that the customer needs in his house, in his home, is coming from Sonnen as well, from the Sonnen community, where we have thousands of customers virtually linked together on a platform where they can share, literally share their excess solar power. And this is unique in the world.